Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lal Bagh Girls Center College. This is Jyoti Singh. Class 10, as we have started with the excretion, we have seen excretion in unicellular organism. You have seen the introduction about this. Now in this part we are going to discuss about the excretion in organism. So let's learn about the excretion in organism.
So children, in this part we are going to learn about the excretion in organisms. Humans and other animals obtain energy from the food they consume. Right? In the picture you can see food gives energy to the humans. The food that you eat is not completely digested and absorbed by the body. The undigested food needs to be egested from the body. Also, the metabolic processes in our body also generate waste. The waste generated by the body include some nitrogen containing compounds also. The biochemical or biological processes by which the harmful nitrogen containing metabolic wastes are removed from the body is called excretion. So according to the habitat and the body type of the organism, the mode of excretion varies. Let us see how excretion occurs in a single celled organism. Here you can see the picture of amoeba, which is a unicellular organism. So in unicellular organisms, waste products are discharged or let out directly. This method of excretion happens by the simple diffusion of waste from the body into the surrounding water. Here you can see the process of diffusion. Waste materials are present inside, and outer wall is what? Cell membrane, and after the cell membrane you get the outside medium. So diffusion occurs from a region of higher concentration to the lower concentration, as you know. So the accumulation of waste in the body of the organism increases the concentration of waste in the body. So the waste matter moves out of the body of the organism by the process of diffusion. So in unicellular organisms like amoeba, the contractile vacuole perform the process of excretion. Here you can see the contractile vacuole of amoeba, which performs the process of excretion. Here the contractile vacuole is present, and in the next picture you can see the waste material is coming out. The contractile vacuole swells up, which is first the contractile vacuole collects all the waste material, and in the second picture you can see the contractile vacuole swell up because of the concentration of the waste material. So the waste material present in the cytoplasm of the amoeba enters the contractile vacuole, and the contractile vacuole moves close to the plasma membrane. Now in this picture you can see the release of waste material. Once it comes in the contact with the plasma membrane, the vacuole bursts to release its content in the surrounding. Right? So here in the first picture you can see the contractile, when come in the contact of the plasma membrane, it get burst and releases the waste material into the surrounding medium. Now in the next picture you can see the contractile vacuole is free of waste material. Higher organisms have more advanced methods of excretion. As the complexity of organism increases, they develop a specialized organ for the process of excretion. So here is a three type of nitrogenous waste are found. One is the urea, second is the uric acid, and third is the ammonia. These three type of nitrogenous waste is basically rich in nitrogen content. So the major excretory products of multicellular organisms are urea, uric acid, and ammonia. Here you can see the ammonia content rich waste material. Animals like what? Aquatic animals like your fish excrete their nitrogen containing cell waste in the form of ammonia. So basically the waste material of aquatic animals is what? Ammonia. Here are some pictures of terrestrial animals. So terrestrial animals like some insect, reptiles and birds excrete uric acids as a nitrogenous waste. So we can say the uric acid is the nitrogenous waste of the terrestrial animals. And in case of human beings, here you can see the excretory system is presenting. So in human beings, urea is the major excretory product. It is filtered by the kidneys and removed from the body as urine. So let's revise it. The biological process by which the harmful nitrogen containing metabolic waste are removed from the body is called excretion. In unicellular organisms, waste products are discharged or let out directly. Diffusion plays a major role in this process. Nitrogenous waste are urea, uric acid and ammonia. The major excretory products of multicellular organisms are urea and uric acid and ammonia. Aquatic animals releases their waste in the form of ammonia, and many terrestrial animals and birds excrete in the form of uric acid, and humans excrete their waste in the form of urea, and the main excretory organs for this are the kidneys. So this is all about the excretion in organisms. So children, at the end of this video you will get one assignment question which you have to write your answer in the comment box, which will give you a class record.